today is a very special day since it is Eid and we want to celebrate it with our friends. Thank you on behalf of me, my mother, and وشاهد ومشهود قتل سبع الخدود النازل الركود الزمر يكون هم على ما يفعلون بالمؤمنين شهود وما نقموا منهم إلا أن يؤمنوا بالله العزيز الحميد الذي له ملك السماوات والأرض والله على كل شيء شهيد إن الذين فتنوا المؤمنين والمؤمنات لهم عذاب أليم.
So what is your name? And how old are you? Okay. So what will you be performing for us today? Alam tara kayo.
Alam tara kayo.
How old are you?
6.
And what will you be performing for us today?
Ayatul Kursi.
Ayatul Kursi. MashaAllah. Okay.
Allahu la ilaha illahu kul hayyul qayyum.
So what is your name?
Anam.
How old are you, Anam?
4.
What are you going to be performing for us today? Surah Ikhlas, Anam. Okay, here you go.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Qul huwallahu ahad. Allahu samad. Lam yalid wa lam
Rules are rules, Taka. Basi will never accept us stray. I'm not stray. I'm just lost. See? He's just lost. There was a flood.
Once again, say Eid Mubarak.